Now, it may be difficult to hear the difference between the voiceless sound k that you hear at the beginning of the word come or that you hear at the beginning of the word kim and its voiced partner g that you hear at the beginning of the word game. So, listen carefully to hear the difference. Now, k k k k came g g g g g game came game. So, শুরুতে came এখানে খ সাউন্ড ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে আর game শব্দটাতে গ সাউন্ড ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে. Okay, now k k k at the end of the word, okay? K k k k k back. K k k k k bag. No, bag. Bag. Yeah, right. Bag. So, back আর হচ্ছে bag. Right. So, bag গ sound আর back k sound. Okay? So, k k k k k calories. G g g g g galleries. Galleries. So, calories and galleries. Okay.